In this video, I'm going to compare JVZoo to Warriorplus. So which one is the best? Of course, depending on situation, I'm going to show you the main differences and similarities and what they try to target and which one is the best for what you want. So JVZoo is mainly targeting software and courses. So online digital products here, you can see that they only have 5 categories: e-commerce, business, health, fitness, self-improvement, software. And software is the main thing they try to target on. So you have doodly software, to whiteboard animation, text-to-speech software, all that stuff, and that's mainly where they try to target on. They also try to target on payment methods for e-commerce and business things. So if we just go to software here, I'm going to show you what I mean. And yeah, what I can tell you is that they don't have a lot of offers. Like, they're mainly targeting for quality and not quantity. So they rather want a lot of good products than like tons of shit products that aren't that good. So we can go to view this. You can see Motocom, video creator commercial, all this software that you can go ahead and promote. You get $45, $200, $50, almost $40, almost $70. You get the point. This is what they try to promote. Just simple software related offers that you can easily promote online. On Warriorplus, it's the same. You also have affiliate products. I mean, yeah, both of them are affiliate programs, so they are very similar. And you're not going to make a mistake by choosing Warriorplus or this is how it looks. So this is an offer. You can see it looks really good here from JVZoo. It looks super good in my opinion. I think the offers, how they look, are from JVZoo are top best of the best. I think they are better than Warriorplus offers. We can go to, for example, top sellers here. Here are just top sellers products. Let's go to this. And you can see this is how this one looks. As you can see, it looks very similar to this offer, but maybe a little bit more spammy. But the big difference isn't here. The big difference is in how they work. Like, I mean, they both work kind of the same because they are affiliate programs, but Warriorplus is more targeted to smaller things that aren't really well known. So you can mainly brand it, you can brand it to your own product, like you made it, and you can promote it very easily on the internet by creating your own content around this. And that's the main difference. So this is my tutorial, this was my video, not the tutorial, my bad. This was the video about Warriorplus and JVZoo. The main differences, just to summarize, JVZoo mainly for e-commerce, business things, software, and Warriorplus for other things, also for software, but Warriorplus is just a bit smaller, still a lot of products. And I think JVZoo, their website is easier to use, it's a little bit more 2021-ish, it's not that old, it's more trusted, and that's basically what I think. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.